still dreaming of growing your own fruits and vegetables in your city apartment? Now to make your dream come true is the artificial ecosystem grove, which consists of a fish tank and a small vegetable patch using fish waste products to produce fresh, healthy, year-round produce. Resembles a wooden cabinet with a built-in automated system. The system is based on a highly advanced farming method called aquaponics. Ammonia-rich waste converted to nitrate from fish produces beneficial bacteria, which in turn act as organic plant fertilizer. The system is independent and automatically ensures that sufficient plants receive all the necessary nutrients, and the water is also purified through constant circulation. In this fashion, fish and plants work complementary and there is no need to clean your tank. Special LED lights simulate temperature and humidity and daylight to create the perfect conditions for your plants and optimal growth. For that purpose, it is important to keep a close eye on the device settings. Its creators have also designed an application, Grove OS, which will enable you to control the entire process from seeding and choosing your pet fish. It is a harvest. It seems hard to believe that it takes no more than a month and a half to taste nutrient-rich fresh fruits and vegetables from your own home patch.